One of the reasons I was very anxious and nervous about working on some of our construction sites and joining our construction crew was because I'm a woman. I felt very segregated from everyone else. I felt very alone. I felt very self-conscious. I didn't know how to ask for help. I didn't know how to be on a job site. And it took me a long time to figure out how to break down those barriers and to be a woman in a male-dominated industry. And I love it because I get to do everything a man can do, and I can show you that we can do it. And I've met so many women that are just like, I've seen you and you're the reason I got into the trade. I opened my own company because I watched you work with your father, and it was a family business, and I realized that I could take over and I could do this. But yeah, I was scared. I was so nervous.
Here's someone that was so nervous that in New Orleans, she worked morning till night, never been in the trades. We were there for 3 months solid, 7 days a week working. Everyone down there wanted to hire her.
They did, actually, and that's probably one of my more impressive stories and one of my favorite jobs because it made me realize what I want to do with my life.